Welcome to this video. Before starting the video, I prepared some basic problems for you. Please try to solve it for yourself. If you can solve those problems for yourself, then you are good fit for watching this video. If you can't, please study the basic rules and try to solve some fundamental problems first, and then watch this video again. This video is not for beginners, but for those who would like to solve intermediate or hard problems. Okay then, if you are ready, then let's get started. Here is the first problem. There is a circle and a rectangle inscribed in the circle. The radius of the circle is 5/2. The perimeter of the rectangle is 14. Our goal is to figure out the area of the rectangle. The second problem is about formulas of multiplication. If you use the rules properly, then you can solve this. Here are the third and fourth problems. The third problem gives us the equation, and our goal is to find out the value x. The fourth problem tells us that there is a cuboid and the lengths of the blue lines are square root of 61, 3 square root of 5, and square root of 34. The outer area is given as 126. Our goal is to figure out height plus length plus width of the cuboid. Alright, we just looked through the 4 problems, and I will give you the solution of the problems very soon. Before you watch the solution part, please go back and try to solve those problems for yourself. That will improve your mathematics skill and make watch this video fun. In 7 seconds, I will give you the solution. How did you try to solve this problem? I will give you my solution. Let's put two lengths of the rectangle as A and B, and the diagonal of the rectangle is nothing else but just the diameter of the circle. So we can get to know that this blue line's length is 5. By the Pythagorean theorem, we can get a squared plus b squared is equal to 25. And by the given perimeter condition, we can also get a plus b is equal to 7. According to one of the formulas of multiplication, we can find out the value of a times b. If we put a plus b equals to 7 and a squared plus b squared equals to 25 into the equation, we can get to know that AB is equal to 12. So the area of the rectangle is 12. This is the solution to the problem. Is it clear? Then let's move to the next question. Here is the second problem. X plus y equals to 4 and xy equals to 2. Our goal is to find out x to the 5 plus y to the 5. How can we approach to solve this problem? First, let's consider how x to the 5 plus y to the 5 can be re-expressed. If we multiply x squared plus y squared and x to the 3 plus y to the 3, it is equal to this. I just expanded the polynomial. So x to the 5 plus y to the 5 is equal to x squared plus y squared times x to the 3 plus y to the 3 minus xy squared times x plus y. By using those rules, we can find out x squared plus y squared and x to the 3 plus y to the 3. Okay? If we use the given condition x plus y equals to 4 and xy equals to 2, then we can get to know that x squared plus y squared is 12 and x to the 3 plus y to the 3 is 40. So we can put those two values into the equation here. Then the result is that x to the 5 plus y to the 5 is equal to 464. This is the solution to the problem. Is everything clear? If everything is clear, then let's move to the next problem. Here is the third problem. How did you try to solve this problem? In order to solve this problem, we should use this equation. Did you use this? Let's solve it together. We know that 2 is equal to 3 minus 1 and 4 is equal to 3 plus 1. So the problem can be expressed like this. Now we can use the definition that we know. This part is equal to 3 squared minus 1. So our expression becomes like this. Again, this part is equal to 3 to the power of 4 minus 1. So it becomes like this. If we repeat it again and again, the expression finally becomes 3 to the power of 16 minus 1. Okay? So x is equal to 16. This is the solution to the problem. This is how we can use the formula of multiplication. Is everything clear? Then let's move to the last question. Here is the last problem of this video. Let's solve it together. The problem says that there is a cuboid and the blue line's lengths are square root of 61, 3 times square root of 5, and square root of 34. The outer area is given as 126. Let's put the lengths, width, and height as A, B, and C respectively. By the Pythagorean theorem, we can get these three equations. A squared plus b squared is equal to 61, b squared plus c squared equals to 34, and c squared plus a squared equals to 45. And by the given outer area, we can also get to know that AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 63. What we need to figure out is A plus B plus C. And we already know this formula of multiplication. If we can find out A squared plus B squared plus C squared, we can get to know what A plus B plus C is. How can we find out A squared plus B squared plus C squared? Let's add those three equations. There are 2a squared, 2b squared, 2c squared, right? So it becomes 2 times a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals to 140. And we can get to know that a squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to 70. Now let's put those two values into this equation. Then a plus b plus c squared is equal to 196, which means that a plus b plus c is equal to 14. This is the solution to the problem. Is everything clear? How did you watch this video? I was seriously thinking of how I can make good problems so that this video will be helpful for those who want to improve their mathematics skills. Again, the problems I solved for you are not basic problems. It's kind of intermediate level, which means neither so easy nor so difficult. I will try my best to make good problems and provide you with those problems, which level is intermediate or advanced. Thank you for watching my first video. If it was helpful, please click the subscribe and like button. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.